everyone, welcome back to another video. So this morning we are going to collect the ewes that are lambing. We're going to get them in the trailer and bring them back home and put them in the shed. We had a look yesterday and a lot of them are bagging up now, so they're very close to lambing. So we're going to go and collect them and bring them home, put them in the shed, and then we can keep a close eye on them. And yeah, I've got the camera at night so I can watch them and see what they're doing, whereas in the field they haven't got any of that. So yeah, I'm gonna go and collect them now. Hopefully they'll come straight in, but who knows. We're gonna take the quad with us, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice easy job. See you when we get there. They're all loaded, taking them back to the farm now. I'm sweating buckets and I lost my welly in a puddle, so I went through this massive puddle and my welly dropped off, so not ideal. Mix the milk, and I'm going to get the feeders and feed the calves. Just on here. And then these are the ones that have been weaned in these pens here. Hello. I'll go and show you the calves that we got on the last vlog because they've come on really well as well. I'll just go and show you them now. Look at those little milky chops. Hey? Aww, she's so sweet. Well now, these are all just being fed. More of that. All happy? And there's these ones in here. Bit bigger ones. Just had this pair of lambs. 2 top lambs. So that's the start of the commercials now. Elin, and she is one of our Suffolk crosses. Oh yeah, she's lambed them on her own, and yeah, she's done a good job. These are our, we've got a pen set up today. We've got these down here. And then obviously tomorrow we're going to extend them round here as well. These are the ones that we turned out the other day. Don't you? So it's the next day now. I've just come to check this ewe and her lambs. They're doing really well, I'll just show you. They've both been drinking in the night, so I've just given her some food. Yeah, doing great. Signs of anyone lambing. There's a few that look quite close, but nothing as of yet. So I'm gonna bed these up and then give them some fresh silage. Nothing else in here is really showing any signs right now. There is a couple that are quite close, who've got quite a lot of milk, so anytime now they'll all start, I'm sure. But yeah, it's all looking good so far, fingers crossed. Nice day today. It actually feels like spring is finally here. So nice for it not to be raining for once. It's absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait for summer and spring now. Can't wait. Fresh little buckets, so I'm just gonna go and dump these out now on the grass for them and put one in the shed for the ewes that are due to lamb. They've got one, but they absolutely smash these. It literally lasts them like a week and that's it, and they're pretty expensive, so it's not ideal, but they need them when they're lambing. It's got everything in it they need, high energy, it's perfect. So yeah, I'll go and chuck one of these in the field and chuck one in the shed, and we've got a spare as well. Later now, me and Bonnie have come to check the sheep, haven't we, Bon? And we've had a blackie with twins. I'll just show you 1 second. She is. Both very keen, aren't they? We've got quite a few ewes that look like they're close to lambing, so could be a long night tonight, or we might not have anything. So luckily we've got a camera set up in here, so I can go back home and just keep an eye on it from home. Right, they both had a drink now, so they should be alright for the night. Both had some colostrum, so it's over to mum now. You're a good mum, aren't you? So she's got a tuck lamb and a gimmer lamb, so a female and a male. So one of each. We've just had another set of twins. She didn't need any help, so she's done a really good job. Show you them. There we go. I'm just going to give them a spray of iodine now. Already starting to drink. Oh, bless them. So cute. And then these are the ones we had last night. In there. And then these are the ones from earlier in the day. And there, they look happy now, don't they? There's our new little beast. New little gator. How cool is that? That should help making the sheep jobs easier. Just lamb this girl. Hey? A nice big gimmer lamb. It's actually huge, look at the size of it. Done well there, haven't you, lass? Good girl. She's in a bit of shock, but I'll leave her to bond with it now.
Only a shealing.
Yeah, she's only a shealing. This stonker is massive. And that's his twin that's just come out. Not as big, but still a good size. And they've all drank, so I'm happy with that. Excuse how I look. I look horrendous. But yeah, I can't see anything else starting yet. It's all pretty quiet in here tonight, so I think that might be it for tonight. 2 twins. With my new little beast in the dark. Isn't she so cool? She's a little lifesaver for lambing. Going and collecting some electric fencing today. Using my new baby. Hi everyone. So this morning we are just collecting some electric fencing. So the field that we had the ewes in, we electric fenced the outside. So I'm just reeling it up now, and then I'm going to take the posts down. But luckily I've got my new gator to help me with the job, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, so sunny, and it gets us out of the lambing shed. So, and Sam's playing on his digger over there, I'll show you. Sam's just tidying up the hedge with his digger. There he is. Alright, best crack on. Just had this nice big gimmer lamb. She was a single, so she just had a really lovely big lamb, so that's great. Bonnie lamb. It's a bit later now. I'm just doing the night checks on the sheep. I've got a ewe that's just started lambing. Well, she started straining, so I just want to keep an eye on her. So I've just come and sat in the gator for some warmth. Yeah, she looks like she's not far off now, so I'm just going to wait here. Turned out some lambs today as well, so I'll show you them in the field. The ones that we had earlier on in the video, we've put them out in the field today. It was such a nice day, and yeah, they're better off outside, aren't they? So they've gone out, and we've had a couple more lamb this afternoon. It looks like, yeah, she's the only one that's not stood up eating. I'm just going to go in there and have a look, I think, and see what I can see. See if there's any signs. Keep you updated. I've just come out to 2 twins on the ground. Just going to get them put in a pen now. But yeah, she's done really well on her own. Beautiful lamb, eh? Got a bit of fluid in his nose. Let's put him there. Here we go. He's here. Whoa. Scanned for triplets, but her lambs are stonking. So I don't know if she'll have 3, but we'll wait and see. I'm going to let her bond with these and just keep an eye on her, and we'll see if another one appears. I don't think they will though, because the size, they're absolutely massive. I'll show you them now. So that one's a tuck lamb and that one's a gimmer, but they're absolutely massive, aren't they? Hey, they're massive. Well done, lass. Done really well. So she was trying for some time to get them out. They are quite big, so that's why. So I did just help her with them. So while I'm waiting for her, I'm going to band some lambs that have already been born, and then we're going to try and get them out in the field because it's a really nice day today. So great day to put them out. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Is that not just the best sight ever? Look, all outside. Just got another sheep lambing. Excuse how red my face is. All of the sheep just decided to escape out the pen and run around the lambing barn, so that was fun. Got this one starting here, just had to make her a pen. I'll try and get you some footage of this one being born. I think she's got a red dot on her shoulder, so she'll be having a single, so let's try and get it out now. She's the first time lammer as well, and she's extremely tight, and because she's having a single, there's not a lot of reading there. I'm back. I actually turned the camera off. That was the hardest lambing I've ever done. It was so hard. A massive single, so it's huge, and she's got a ringworm. It was only contracting to like this size. I just could not get it out at all. Took me about half an hour, maybe longer. I think I need a brew now. Calm down now. Let me show you the lamb. It's really cute. Its face is still a bit swollen and its tongue, but you're a good mum, aren't you? What a good lass. Big top lamb. He's a lovely lamb, lass. He's just got a massive head, hasn't he? Guys, I'm going to end my video here. I noticed when I was editing the vlog that I didn't do an ending after yesterday's birthing drama. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here, and then I'm just on with filming the next one now. So thanks so much for watching, and if you could like and subscribe and leave me a comment, that would be great. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.